How to unfriend someone on Snapchat? To unfriend someone on Snapchat, first thing first, open Snapchat. Once you get access to this camera section, you have to go to chat section. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the chat icon. Tap on it and then search for the user that you want to unfriend. Simply tap and hold that particular friend and select manage friendship. Here you will see the option of remove friend. On this manage friendship options, simply tap on remove friend. So if you are sure that you want to unfriend this user on Snapchat, you have to tap on remove button. And then automatically that friend has also been removed from the chat section. So that is how we easily unfriend someone on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you in the next video.